Hello, everybody. My name is الحميد حدوي. I'm a teacher of English. So, today we're going to talk about the difference between present simple and present continuous. So, as we know, that present simple is used for routine or long-term situations, whereas present continuous is used for something that is happening at the moment of speaking or short-term situations. Let's make it more concrete. Present simple is used for routine. It means repeated actions, habitual events, or timetabled events, or frequent actions. What is important is repeated actions. Present continuous, on the other hand, is used for something that is happening at the moment of speaking, means right now, at this moment. Yes. Now let's see some examples. I normally take the train to work. So what is the key word here? Is normally. Normally, it means something which is habitual. Of course, what are we going to use here? Present simple or present continuous? Yes, of course, present simple. Why? Because we have normally. So the verb taken the present simple stays the same. Good. The buses are on strike, so the train today. So today is the key word. Why? Because it's an exception. It's not normally, it's just today, means now. So if the buses are on strike, what should I do? So I take the train. So normally, today I am taking the train. The verb to be here, so the form is the verb to be plus verb plus ing. Three important elements. Susan worked from 9 to 5. Now, can you tell me please what is the key word or what is the key expression here? Yes, 9 to 5. Very good. 9 to 5 means every day or every week she goes to work from 9 to 5. It's a timetabled event. So Susan, the verb work, in the third person singular, we say Susan works. Good, so don't forget the S because we have Susan here. This week she, the verb do, overtime. Yes, this week is the key word in our situation here. This is different from every week, only this week. She, the verb do, overtime. So remember the three elements that we are using in verb to be. We have in present continuous verb to be, plus verb, plus ing. So she is doing overtime. She not work at weekends. Again, we start first with the key word here, which is at weekends. At weekends, of course, every weekend with S here, because we are talking about every weekend. Present simple. So she not work. So how can we conjugate the verb work in the negative in the present simple? First, we remember that we use I don't work, you don't work, he doesn't work, she doesn't work, it doesn't work. So not means doesn't. And work doesn't take the S because we have doesn't. Excellent. So notice here we have doesn't and we don't have the S here because the S goes to don't becomes doesn't. Ben have a bath at the moment. Again, what is the key word here? Yes, please. At the moment. So at the moment is something happening right now. Ben has or hasn't. Yes, sorry, is having. Why? Because we have present continuous is have plus ing. He usually, the verb have one before he goes to bed. Now, again, what is the key word? Usually. So usually means an adverb of frequency, like always, usually, often, sometimes, yes, rarely, and never. So whenever you see these frequency adverbs, use the present simple. Now, what is have in the present simple? Has, yes, because we have he. This car, the verb use a lot of petrol. So we notice that this car is a sports car. So it uses a lot of petrol. Brian, the verb use his car today. So today is very important for us. Why? Because it shows us that this situation is happening today, now. So is using. Now I'd like you to notice that we have here ing without e, so we eliminate or we delete e. So verbs that finish with e, we eliminate e and we add ing. My dad, verb grow all his own vegetables. Now, in his farm, for example, we have vegetables here. So it's not now only, it's a frequent action. So we say my dad grows because we have third person singular. He not grow this year because he is going away. This year, again, whenever you have this year, this week, this month, this weekend, etc., try to use it in the present continuous. So he is not or he isn't growing anything this year. He waters every day in the summer. So waters, why? Because we have every day, every week, every Monday, every Saturday. Use present simple. Good. Thank you very much for your listening. I hope you have learned something about it, and see you once again in the next sessions.